not greeting you. So with Robert, your inaanak si Ana, Gina, and myself, wishing you a very happy and blessed birthday.
Ikaw pa talaga ang nananatili at nag-iisang reyna ng pelikulang Pilipino. Napalaki ng respeto namin sa inyo lahat. Happy, happy birthday, Tita Glo.
Siya isang tao at isang artista na aking pinagpipitagan, nirespeto at ina-admire. Happy birthday, long live. Let's see each other on the set in.
Sa lahat ng oras, sa lahat ng sandali, pag kailangan mo siya, nandun yung kanyang pagbibigay. Siguro yung natutunan namin sa bakuran sa Sampaguita Pictures ay talagang ibang klase. Para kaming isang pamilya na manamahalan. Kaya happy, happy birthday to my dearest comadre. God bless.
Anghel sa oras ng sakuna, ikaw ang sugo ng may kapal, sagot sa aking mga dasal. Ikaw ang tanging umakay, hinawi ang buot at lumbay. Ikaw ang awit sa aking puso, taglay ang pag-asa naglaho. Pagmasdan mo ang buhay, aking mahal. Tumitingkad, sumisiglang sa iyong ilaw. Ang sinag ng iyong pag-ibig, pinukaw ang pusong nahihinig. Nawi ang dilim, talang at nininig aking munting bituin. Puso ko'y payak sa iyong piling, aking bituin.
Maraming salamat at nakasama kita mula pagkabata hanggang ngayon, nandiyan ka pa rin. The show business will not be complete without the name of Gloria Romero. I love you very much. You know that.
Mommy! Ari ang imong darling, beautiful daughter, Cynthia. My gosh, we had great chemistry sa palibhasa lalaki. Happy birthday!
Very first shooting day ko, yung To Mama with Love, very first scene ko was with you, Mommy. I will be forever thankful dahil nakatrabaho ko kayo. I love you very much.
Hi, Tita Glo. Happy birthday po. First of all, siguro yung naaalala ko about Tita Glo is the time when we worked together sa Taning Yaman. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Tita Glo for all the advice. You will always be one of my lolas.
To Tita Gloria, happy birthday po. I really hope someday magkatrabaho tayo uli. I'm really very proud that I was able to work with you nung bata pa po ako. I wish you more projects. Bibihira po ang kagaya ninyo. Maligayang kaarawan po sa inyo.
Daughter, she's very, very good talaga. She does not think only of herself. She thinks of other people who are not So far as happy birthday. I really love you just like my daughter.
Sa dami ng mga artistang nakilala ko magmula ng pagkabata ko hanggang ngayon, ikaw na ang para sa akin ang perfect role model ng isang artista. Happy birthday, Glo. I will always love you.
Ang wish ko sana, maganda ka pa hanggang tumanda, Glo. Mahal na mahal kita. Ikaw ang number 1 sa akin.
Glo, remember that, hindi tayo magkasama. Alam mo naman na ikaw ang one of the best gift na binigay sa akin ng Diyos para nakitang kapatid, you're part of our family.
Yeah, hello, Glo. This is Gilbert. I wish you the best happy birthday today, okay? Ako and do my best. I hope you have a good party. God bless you.
They say in time you will forget, yet still today my eyes are wet. I tell myself to smile for love. Now soon there'll be another spring, and I will start remembering the way she loved to hear us sing her favorite song, Ave Maria. The children all have grown up now. I kept my promise to Mama. I cannot guide them anymore. I've done my best. Oh.